guys, I'm Anushka and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'll show you one of my best edits and the whole procedure how I did it. I actually do not have the specific video to it, so I had to edit it again for you guys, but I mostly have all the parts of it. And with that said, do subscribe to my channel and let's get started. So this is the whole app which I am going to use. There will be 3 actual apps which I will be using. That is one, Lightroom. I basically use Lightroom to edit my pictures colors. That's it, and give use my presets. Basically that is what I do with using Lightroom. Using Snapseed, you will see me do like mostly I'll be using healing just to remove some parts from my pictures, or changing the perspective, or I'll be changing the I'll be using the expand tool, that is changing the ratio of my picture. So these are the basic 2 apps which and then comes my favorite PicsArt app. So here we'll be doing the Photoshop work kind of things. And with that, let's get into the video where you'll see what I'm going to edit and how I'm doing everything. So this is the Snapseed app. So what I have done here is I'm going to healing and I'm going to remove various parts. Already this picture has been expanded and the perspective has been changed. Now once this is done, I'm going to heal it and remove the chair. So basically here actually my ambience on the terrace is not that good. So it's surrounded by various buildings, houses, and that's why I have to stand on a chair in the middle of my terrace. I'll be standing on the chair and clicking these pictures, and that is what I do. That is how I get these pictures. Using these pictures, I use manipulation and stuff to edit it, and I add sky, like the clouds, and you can see how I am dragging my brush. And here the main tip is that wherever you are brushing, the direction you go, if I go from orange to blue, the orange part will be cloned. That is, the orange part will happen in the blue section. So that is what happens here. This is the whole objective of this tool. Like the direction matters. पहले जो किया वो कॉपी होगा सेकंड पे. So उस हिसाब से मैंने ये करके I have just changed everything into blue color, and I don't want the chair to be seen. I want myself in the sky. And yeah, you would have seen in the thumbnail कि कैसा picture बनने वाला है. So stay tuned. I have made sure that my tutorial is very short. So now we are in the PicsArt app. We have went to tools and clone. So यहाँ पे what I'm going to do is give all the finishes to the picture. What happens here is various parts are actually seen. So you'll see me reduce the size of the brush and then do it. And like you will see my feet also here, and I'll give all the edges. Also for the edges, what you should do is go to hardness and set hardness at 100. So this will give you the best results. And at times the selection of the portion which you are going to clone is very important. So you do not have to select a darker region for the lower part. See what I did here. So you can see this. Yes, this is what I did. This was a mistake, so I cleared it. Now I have reduced the opacity and just trying to see. Here now it's going for the orange color, but I think it's absolutely fine. It's orange. So that is why I have done this. Now I have this orange color, and I think I can just change the perspective or something so it would look better. With that said, so this is what I got. I have saved a copy. I keep saving copies, and this is one of the tips which I would like to give, if you want to go into editing and if you want to learn something new. So what you do here, keep saving your various stages. At times I literally don't have any memory left, and after that I have to stop and start it again. There will be a problem in between. So make sure that you have saved your work. Even in video editing, even the same applies to the photo editing. So here you'll see me extend the blue section again and again, going to the clone tool, using my brushes, and everything is at 3 times the speed. So trust the process, it will take time. This actual editing was I did this whole editing for around 1 hour plus, but I do not have all the recording because of the storage issues as always. So with that, I go to style, like I go to stickers and add a sky. You can search blue background, blue sky background, you'll get all of this. And make sure that you do not add the same sky, just zoom it in and add it. So I added this, and it's like I actually went to the tool, erase tool, you'll see it on the top, and after that you can just go and select that you want it in the background, so you get it in the background. After that I went and tried some colors. I tried to reduce the opacity, and this works the best for me as per my pictures. But I saw there's something on my the whole wing, so I did it undo. I am again doing it, you can see this. So these things, this actually occurs, like you tend to do mistakes, but you keep doing it. You do not have to get disheartened because of it. So now I am checking it again कि भाई कहीं गया तो नहीं गया है, तो भाई चलो नहीं रह गया है कहीं. And edges भी ठीक लग रही हैं, लग नहीं रहा है कि you have added the sky. There are pictures where the edges are not detected properly, but with the God's sake, this was just perfect, and I've got this perfect edit nearly. So अब इसमें मैंने क्या किया, I went to selection, I added the same picture and went to the free crop, and वहाँ से I have selected the whole this flying part of my sari that is actually called palla. So, and also about this picture, I was just doing fun with it, and I had a video, and from that I clicked a screenshot. This is how I got this whole structure, and I think it looks pretty good. See, like you always take care that you have proper edges. That is the key. So यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया, मैंने सारी पूरे से विंग जैसा बना, मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. I think I can do what? I can just increase it also. But then I went to editing and see it कि भाई कैसा अच्छा लग रहा है. So I liked one of the presets. You'll see me actually manipulate it as per presets also. So I actually made this picture first. So I like this deep moody. And इस पिक्चर का विंग्स लेके मैंने सेकेंड फाइनल पिक्चर बनाया. I was going to post this. I don't know why. My brain said let's edit again. Let's see what happens. And oh my god, that second edit took my heart away. Like, let me know अगर आपको भी अच्छा लग रहा है तो कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताना. So ये मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, आई एम सीइंग द ऑरेंज कलर. देखिए ऑरेंज कलर कैसे पिक्चर के लिए ऑरेंज कलर कैसे जा रहा है, बैकग्राउंड के साथ कैसा लग रहा है. You keep trying it. I've saved it once. I'm back in the PicsArt app, and I've added the same picture. Yeah, I thought that I can just increase the size of the wing. It will look really pretty. So I saw there's some blue thing going on. So what I did, I made it look like a wing, and I duplicated it. Near the erase tool, you'll see some layers. In layers, you'll see duplicate, move up and move down. So move up and move down is for actually moving that particular selected object upwards or downwards. So that is the whole concept of it. And about this wing, so this is how I created the first wing. Now for the second wing, I'm going to just take the same picture, add it, flip it off. See, this right side dot, right side middle dot actually. Not the above one is for like other purposes. You can see it there. And I've just removed it, and I have another wing. I do not have to work on the symmetricity or anything. So I actually made this edit, and I think I can even remove that hand. But then I thought that is so weird of me, because the other hand on the first side, like the other side was actually behind my pallu, because it was in the air. But here I do have my hand, so I thought let's keep it. You'll see me do to and fro with the erase tool, and I'll keep working on it until I get a perfect line, like दूर से थोड़ा ठीक लगे, because right now we are zoomed in to a lot of extent that you can see everything. So ये हो गया है अभी. अब मुझे क्या करना है, अब मेरा ये काम है कि मेरा जो ये ब्लू पोर्शन आ रहा है मेरे साड़ी पे, वो नहीं आना चाहिए. द हैंड्स शुड लुक परफेक्ट, एंड एटलीस्ट बाहर की लाइंस तो दिखेंगी ना कि यहाँ पे फिंगर्स हैं, यहाँ पे हैंड है, पाम है, तो इतना तो दिखेगा ही. सो मुझे इतना ध्यान दे के बस ये एडिट कर देना है. तो आई थिंक दिस वॉज लुकिंग प्रिटी गुड. सो दिस वॉज द थॉट दैट आई जस्ट एडिटेड, and I'll add some filters to it from PicsArt, or I'll add some filters from Lightroom, and then that will be it about my editing purpose. And मैंने यही सोचा था. But the other day, as I already told you guys, कि मुझे लगा कि मेरे को थोड़ी भाई एडिटिंग कर लेनी चाहिए इसको, बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी। सो मैंने वो पिक्चर वापस खोला। अब इस पिक्चर को जब मैंने खोला उससे पहले मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपैंड किया और स्काई ऐड कर दिया है। आई डिड नॉट वांट टू रिपीट द स्टेप्स एंड आई ऑलरेडी डोंट हैव द पिक्चर्स। आई फटाफट ये भी हो गया मेरा। आई हैव एक्सपैंडेड द पिक्चर यूजिंग स्नैपसीड ऐप। सो वहाँ पे भी आपको एक्सपैंड करके मिल जाएगा एंड यू हैव टू एक्सपैंड इट। उसके बाद मैंने स्काई ऐड कर दिया एंड यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया कि चलो वापस से हम लोग बनाते हैं थोड़ा विंग्स। But to this surprise, I was not able to create a proper wing. It was looking like a flower instead of a wing. I tried 2 to 3 times, but then I thought no, this will not work. So I kept it one aside and I bought the same kal wala picture, which I like the previous picture, the first picture, and I used it here. After using this wing for so many times, I got one of these perfect edits ever. And you just have to use that existing wing and बस easy हो गया ना काम एकदम। वापस क्यों मैं इतना बार करूँ? I have an whole object instead of making that object. So मेरा काम तो बहुत easy हो गया। तो कल की मेहनत बिगड़ी तो नहीं मेरी। That is the first part. So अब ये है, अब मैंने वही करना है, सेम पिक्चर ऐड करना है, फ्लिप करना है, एडिट करना है, एंड दैट इज़ इट। येस गाइस, दैट इज़ इट, दैट इज़ द होल प्रोसीजर व्हाट आई डिड। अब यहाँ पे मैंने किया, फिर इसके बाद मैंने इसको लाइट रूम में किया एडिट एंड आई होप आपको अच्छा लगा होगा। आई लीव द पिक्चर इन द एंड। आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू रिकॉर्ड द एडिटिंग पार्ट बट आई सून टीच यू गाइज हाउ टू एडिट एज पर पिक्चर्स। सो स्टे ट्यून फॉर दैट एंड सब्सक्राइब कर लेना गाइज। सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते हैं आप लोग, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना इफ़ यू रियली वांट टू सपोर्ट मी। आपको अच्छा लगा मेरा काम तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना नहीं भूलना। And don't forget to share it with your friends if you do not like much editing, but there is some of your friends who are interested in editing. It will mean a lot to me. And with that said, I'll see you soon in my next videos and आप लास्ट के आउटपुट्स देख लीजिए। Bye guys.